Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this ultrasonic cleaner that I got sent out for review. Let me tell you that I am very excited to use this one. It works for a stainless steel tank. Let's open this up and see what it's inside. So it has the user guide. Okay, so here it is. It has its power cord right here. And it also is very compact. I like it that it's really small. And it has this lid right here. It has this part right here. Right here it says ultrasonic cleaner and it has the on and off button. So you can use these for necklaces, rings, earrings, bracelets, and even watches, sunglasses. So these will work as a plastic watch stand. You can also use a little bit of washing liquid, and these will be only used a very tiny amount, like 4 milliliters. You can use that and cover the rest with water. And of course, put the object first, then fill the tank with water, and then you can put some little washing liquid right here as well, up to 4 milliliters. I don't recommend that you use these more than 3 times at the same time. You have to let it rest for at least 10 minutes if you have used it more than 3 times tops. Okay, so if you are cleaning something that it's really dirty, it might need more than 1 time to clean it very well. Okay, so here we have our jewelry. I'm gonna clean out this ring that is one of the most dirty ones jewelry that I have. This is silver, and also this earring. This is also of silver. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this type of jewelry. I'm gonna fill out this with water and then turn on. So I have the water here. This is tap water, so I refilled this water bottle just for showing you how it works. So I'm gonna fill it right here. As you can see, there's a max line over there, so just make sure that you don't fill it more than that. You can choose to use this or not. So I guess I'm gonna put these here, just inside. And now let's put the lid on and let's turn on. There it is. So it turns on. It turns off by itself. Let's remove this. So here is the jewelry. I'm gonna use this towel so I can clean them up a little bit and see how they turn out. Okay, so you can see how some parts are better or cleaner, but not all of them. So it says in the box that if you have jewelry that it's very dirty, you can use it up to 3 times the same session. So I'm gonna use it one more time to see if I get better results next time. Okay, this is the 3rd time. Let's just take them out. Okay, I can see some difference. Now let's try to rub these. Try to remove everything just by rubbing it like this, so I can take off. As you can see from the inside, this is really shiny from the inside. This was black, so let's just remember that. Now I'm trying to clean all the edges, which is a bit difficult for this ring because it has a lot of curves right here. I can definitely see a difference in the inside of it. This is definitely way more shinier and cleaner than before, but again, this was black.